Hey, what is up, investors? Jason here. So we're going to be doing a quick technical analysis of Ethereum, and we're going to be continuing this technical analysis from the information that we had on the Ethereum video that we did on Saturday. So all that same information from that video, a lot of that's going to be in this video. So the same Fibonacci retracement, all those details will be in here as well. So what we currently have going on within this correction with Ethereum is that we're trading sideways along the Fibonacci level that we're currently at, which is at around the price of $1,600. So what we're seeing as we do really attempt to break through this particular Fibonacci level, we're seeing those large price movements, that volume activity that comes in. And if we're not able to hold that Fibonacci level, we see that large price move downward. So that's what's currently going on. We can see that tightness that's currently within the price underneath that level. So this is a very strong Fibonacci level with Ethereum right now that it really does need to really overtake and then start working its way up to that price of $1,700. So $1,600 is one that does have a lot of resistance really pulling that price down. And we know what happens to Ethereum after it's able to surpass a price of $1,700 and really get into that $1,800 price, where $1,800 is that big price for Ethereum, where we see those large price movements with it that can take us up into, even all-time highs, which we've seen before when we just follow the path here of this particular $1,800 price. We can see how much support's above 1,800 and how 1,800 would take us into our all-time highs. But right now, our struggle is $1,600. So hopefully we're going to be able to overtake this here soon and then start trekking back up above that $1,800 price here at some point. But these current price movements with Ethereum are not as impressive as we did see all throughout the month of July. Now, what makes me a bit fearful with Ethereum at the current price of $1,600 is the fact that if it's not able to hold on to this price for too much longer, and the price does not rise above much out of this Fibonacci level, that we would end up seeing it fall pretty dramatically lower, like what we had seen when Ethereum had fallen in June below that $1,800 price. It really did crash. Now, in this case, we didn't really overtake that $1,800 price for too long in this particular scenario. So I think that's why we're not really seeing that price really fall too dramatically. But that is the big possibility of something that could happen. So given the fact that we have the Ethereum merge as a catalyst for the price movements that we've been seeing, hopefully that's just something that's going to continue us within rising up within the price and start overtaking the previous Fibonacci levels that we had. Now, since the correction continued to be a bit more bearish on this particular day, the previous price prediction is changed a little bit within its timeline about what could happen. Now, I still agree that we could be seeing these potential two different prices within Ethereum. The best case scenario, the possibility of the price going back around the price of $2,000 sometime around September 1st or even before that as a possibility. Or what we could be seeing is the price continue to trade sideways a bit within these particular Fibonacci levels. So that's a possibility, but I really think that we could be seeing the price really just go back and retrace those previous levels and then take us back into that price of $2,000 sometime before September 1st. And that would be the best bullish case scenario, depending on how crypto really goes throughout this week, as that would be the big test. Now, as far as where I think the price might be going right now in the short term, I think that we might be seeing this corrective wave end up completing itself and see the price go to somewhere around $1,700 before we end up seeing the next move within that Elliott wave, which then will probably just take us back down somewhere around a support somewhere within the price that we're currently at. So above $1,600, I would think. But anyways, though, I would like to hear your guys' thoughts and opinions. Do you guys think that we would possibly be seeing Ethereum start going back to that price of $2,000 before September 1st? And I'm just saying this as a possibility because we have seen large price movements within Ethereum. And if we are to see a good pump, there's that possibility that we could really start retracing these levels back pretty quickly, just like we were seeing Ethereum doing throughout the month of July on into August into around August 13th or so. So that's a possibility. Anyways, though, I'd like to hear your thoughts and opinions about this. So please like, share, comment, subscribe. New content coming out all the time. I have plenty of videos that I will continue to make, and I will be sure to produce even more. So I'll see you all in the next one.